BNSF 5187 Dash 9 with the horn show. Woo! This is train number 10 of today in Metairie. BNSF Dash 9 5187 leading a one-engine BNSF manifest coming off the Huey P. Long Bridge. Woo! It is one engine, so it shouldn't be too long of a train. Yeah, I already see the end. So he's not that long of a train. Probably at the most, I'd say about maybe 35, 40 something cars. I'll give it at the most about like at least 42, 43 cars. Usually these one-engine trains aren't really that short, aren't really that long. They're mostly short. Very interesting graffiti right there. There goes the end of train number 10 of today in Metairie. Let's get the gates going up. You can actually see it if I go up there. Railroad track, 2 tracks. So there goes the gates. Hope y'all enjoy.